Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the featured product section. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the featured product section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the featured product section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Free Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the featured product section. To add it, click Add Section, search for featured product, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. You can now choose the product you want to feature. Under Show On, you can choose where the featured product section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the featured product section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enable sticky content on desktop to keep product details visible while scrolling, or disable it as needed. You can also select desktop media width to control how much space the product media occupies. Extra small keeps images compact, giving more room to product details. Small slightly increases image size while maintaining balance. Medium, a balanced layout between media and content. Large makes product images more prominent for a visually rich layout. Enable constrain media to screen height to limit image height, or disable it for full display. Choose desktop thumbnail position to control where your product thumbnails appear. Bottom displays thumbnails below the main image's most common layout. Left places thumbnails vertically on the left side for quick browsing. Right positions thumbnails on the right for an alternative layout style. Set media fit to control how images scale within their container. Original keeps the image's original proportions, ensuring no cropping or distortion. Fill scales the image to completely fill the container, which may crop some parts but creates a more uniform and polished look. Choose your image ratio to control how product visuals are displayed within the section. Inherit: 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 2:3. You can further refine how your images are displayed using crop position, which determines which part of the image remains visible when cropping is applied. Available options include: Inherit uses your theme's global crop settings: top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Choose your desktop layout to control how product media and information are arranged on larger screens. Stacked displays product media and details one below the other. This layout is clean and simple, ideal for minimal designs and easy scrolling. 2 columns places product images and product information side by side, creating a balanced and professional look commonly used in modern e-commerce stores. Thumbnails shows a main product image along with smaller thumbnail images for quick preview and selection, improving product exploration. Thumbnail carousel displays thumbnails in a sliding carousel format, allowing users to browse multiple images smoothly without taking up too much space. Set the desktop media position to control where your product images appear. Left places product media on the left and product details on the right, which is the most familiar and commonly used layout. Right positions product media on the right for a fresh, alternative layout that can help your store stand out visually. For mobile devices, you can choose layout options that ensure a smooth and optimized viewing experience. 2 columns displays content in a compact 2-column format where applicable, making better use of limited screen space. Show thumbnails enables thumbnail previews on mobile, allowing users to quickly switch between product images. Hide thumbnails removes thumbnail previews for a cleaner and more minimal mobile interface, focusing attention on the main product image. Enable the progress bar to display a visual indicator at the bottom of the product images, showing users how many media items are available and their current position while browsing. You can choose to hide other variant media after selection, which ensures that only the images related to the selected variant are displayed. This keeps the gallery clean and helps customers focus only on the relevant product variation. For video content, enabling video looping allows product videos to play continuously without stopping, creating a smooth and engaging viewing experience. If you prefer more control, you can enable video controls, giving users the ability to play, pause, adjust volume, or skip through the video as needed. To improve navigation, you can enable product arrows, allowing users to easily move between product images or videos. Additionally, enabling show arrows provides a more visible and interactive way for users to browse through the media gallery, enhancing overall usability. For styling, select arrow color as either inherit to use your theme's default color or custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Match the featured product section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from inherit, none, small, medium, large, or custom. If you select custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add a block to insert a product information block, allowing you to display essential product details such as the text, title, product bullet point, product rating, price, and more. And that's it. Your featured product section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.